Gene prediction tools. GenScan. GenScan was developed by Chris Burge and Samuel Carlin at Stanford University and is currently hosted in the Burge Laboratory at the MIT Department of Biology. This program uses a complex probabilistic model of the gene structure that is based on actual biological information about the properties of transcriptional, translational and splicing signals. In addition, it utilizes various statistical properties of coding and non-coding regions. To account for the large heterogeneity of the human genome that affects gene structure and gene density, GenScan derives different sets of gene models for genome regions with different GC content. Its high speed and accuracy make GenScan the method of choice for the initial analysis of large stretches of eukaryotic genomic DNA. GenScan has been used as a principal tool for gene prediction in the International Human Genome Project. CpG plot. CpG plot identifies CpG islands in one or more nucleotide sequences. The ratio of observed to expected number of GC dinucleotide patterns is calculated over a window or sequence region which is moved along the sequence. The calculated ratios are plotted graphically together with the regions which match this program's definition of a CpG island, a CG dinucleotide rich area. A report file is written giving the input sequence name, CpG island parameters and data on the CpG islands that are found. The ratio of observed to expected number of GC dinucleotide patterns is calculated over a window of user specified size or window parameter. The window is slid along the sequence and the ratio recalculated until the end of the sequence is reached. By default, CpG plot defines a CpG island as a region where over an average of 10 windows and not less than 200 bases, the calculated percentage of G plus percentage of C content is over 50% and the calculated observed by expected ratio is over 0.6. These conditions can be modified by setting the values of the appropriate parameters. The observed number of CpG patterns in a window is simply the number of times a C is found followed immediately by a G. The expected number of CpG patterns is calculated for each window as the number of CpG dinucleotides you would expect to see in that window based on the frequency of Cs and Gs in that window. Thus, the expected frequency of CpGs in a window is calculated as the number of Cs in the window multiplied by the number of Gs in the window divided by the window length. Expected equal to number of Cs into number of Gs divided by the window length. ORF finder. The ORF finder or the Open Reading Frame Finder is a graphical analysis tool which finds all open reading frames of a selectable minimum size in a user's sequence or in a sequence already in the database. This tool identifies all open reading frames using the standard or alternative genetic codes. The deduced amino acid sequence can be saved in various formats and searched against the sequence database using the BLAST server. The ORF finder should be helpful in preparing complete and accurate sequence submissions. It is also packaged with the sequence submission software.